Hey there, what's up guys? Today in this video, I'll be teaching you how to see Roblox account value in Roblox. So the first thing you want to do is just search account value in the Roblox search. So right there, and you want to select play on the account value. Just open that and press play. Just wait for it. Wait for it to load. Okay, so just press continue and right there, just press view now. So just press OK. Right there, as you can see here, where my cursor is, you can see the total of my items here. So it says that it's 519 Robux. Just wait for it, because it's still calculating the amount of the value of your Roblox account or your Roblox inventory. You can also access different, like the statistics of the total of the emotes, animations, faces, heads, pants, shirts, everything. You just want to wait for it to load for the exact number of your account value. Yeah. Please wait. And here it says, do you want to share your account value to the global leaderboard? And yeah, no problem. And right here, if you want to close this, you'll be able to view it again here and just press OK. And that's the total here. So my total was 519 earlier. So yeah, just want to close that once you're done. Yeah, right there, that's how you access the account value in Roblox. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helps, and thank you for watching.